guys, how are you? I want to ask for your opinion on one of these topics.
Hi Vina, I'm okay. What it is?
Hi, I've never been better. It's okay. I'm very curious. What is that?
Hi too, I'm fine. Yes, I am also Chris.
Hi Sabrina, I'm fine. Please ask Sabrina.
What do you think can men do housework such as sweeping, washing dishes, and taking care of babies?
In my opinion, most people think that household work is a woman's job, but there's nothing wrong with a man doing it. Men must be able and used to do this work in certain situation when the wife is unable to cook, wash, or do other things. This can help as a wife burden at home.
Yes, that's really true. I also agree that men can and should even do housework. That is a form of cooperation and mutual respect within the family, so there's no harm at all.
We are of the same mind and one opinion. In my opinion, housework is not an obligation for a woman because men also need to be able to do it either for themselves or to help women with their work. In fact, there are many jobs out. There were many do housework such as sweeping, cooking, or so on. But I want to see the answer from a man's perspective. What do you think, Apit?
Yes, I'm a man, but every day I clean the house, like sweeping and
What do you think, Ben, about men doing household chores usually done by women?
Yes, the same as your opinion. In my personal opinion, it doesn't matter if men do housework because it's a basic skill. Basic skills that everyone should have, regardless of gender.
Yes, that's true. I think men who can do housework are cool. They become more independent and do not depend on the other people.
Yes, that's right, Indah. Because if a man can help with household chores, maybe when he has a family, his wife will really be motivated and look cool.
this is a positive thing. So don't feel that only women do this job.
Okay, yes, I agree with your opinion, and okay, thank you for your opinions, guys.
You're
Welcome.
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 Dadah.